This is two-cavity blow molding machine, MS2L2. The left one is the main blower. The right one is the oven. For installation, for the main blower, power is connected with this plug. Then second step, connect the horsepower. The first step is connect the power with this plug. Second step, connect the air hose to this air inlet. The air hose connect with this inlet from air dryer. This tank is high pressure air. This one is low pressure, because high pressure air via this regulator becomes low pressure. Water chiller connecting with the machine is directly to the blow mold base. It connects in this way. This is the blow mold. Now it's upside down. This is the bottom of the mold. And these are three in. Then connect these two hoses. This is out. In, out. And here also in, out. These are connected with the water chiller directly. For installation of the oven, the first step is connect the power. Connect the three-phase power to the main breaker. This machine was built for 380 volt, so it is connected with 3 live wires and 1 neutral. Okay. These are voltage controller to the lamps. It controls the heating temperature. Then the sequence is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Controls the lamp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before turn on the oven, apply one of your preform on the preform holder. Apply here. Check and adjust the height of the lamp. This edge should be above the temper ring of the preform. The lamps should be above this ring. And turn on how many pieces of lamps depends on your preform length. For example, this preform, turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces lamps enough. This is for power. This is for turn on motors. This is for turn on the exhaust motor to blow cooling air to the preform. There is motor for blowing the cooling air to the preform neck. Off. Buka. Buka kola.